Hey guys, it's Camilo again with another unboxing, and this time I have something from this brand, Joyhub. They contacted me asking me if I wanted to review some of their toys, and you know I love reviewing toys. Trying new stuff is great, I always love it, and you guys love it too. I've seen it in the comments, and so yeah, I said yes, they sent it, it just arrived, and let's unbox it together. I haven't seen what's inside this box. I got two boxes, which was weird to me because as far as I remember, it's like three little toys. So why three big boxes? Two big boxes, sorry. But anyway, let's find it together. Let's find this out. So this was the first box that came. You can see it, a gift from Joyhub. You can see a branding here too. It says Joyhub, bring everyone joy and pleasure. Awesome, that's what I do as well. Let's open this, see what it is. Okay. Oh, we have something Christmassy. Although Christmas is, well, to the day I'm recording this, is not over yet. I'm recording this on the 29th, but that's so cute. You're going to watch it after December is over, but let's see what's inside this little Christmas bag. We got stickers. I love stickers. More stickers for my PC. Santa's naughty list. I'm every year in that one. You know that. You have this little scarf. This will look pretty cute on my cock. You will see this on my penis, for sure. To someone who deserves a little extra joy. Is it money? Is it money? Is it money? It's not? No money in there? Okay, it's still a great gift. Very Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas this holiday season. We invite you to unwrap more than presents. We invite you to unwrap moments. May your nights be warm, your touches intoxicating, they are, thank you, and your laughter contagious. I hope it is. Here's to playful discoveries, little thrills, and the kind of closeness that makes ordinary evenings unforgettable. Not just this holiday season, but all year round. Thank you. With gratitude, the Joyhub team. Great wishes to you too, thank you. Let's stay connected. Well, you can see their stuff here. Bring everyone joy and pleasure. That's an awesome catchphrase. Oh, it's a little, how do you call this? I forgot. Pleasure starts here. Scan and join Joyhub. A Christmas tree decoration, but I forgot how you call this in English. I know there's an easier way to say that. And what is this? I wonder what this is. Oh, okay. This is for your, it's a pop socket. This is for your phone. But this is for iPhone. I got Android, but my boyfriend, now fiance, has iPhone, so he can use this one because this is MagSafe. Or I think maybe I could put this one inside my case or outside my case. I don't know. I'll try it. But anyway, here it is. It's pretty cute. It's so cute. I have like maybe a week to use it without it being so weird. But yeah, it's so cute. I love it. And a little Christmas hat for my penis. This is so cute. I will take some pictures using this scarf and the little hat and show it to you guys. It will look so pretty, so cute. I mean, just look at that. That's so pretty. That was it for the Christmassy stuff. Let's put it back inside here. Okay, now let's go with the toys. Let's see what's inside. This. So I see in this one 2 boxes. In the other one that I have here with me, I'm seeing another 2 boxes. So I don't know. I thought there were 3 toys, but let's check it. Moment of satisfaction. Make it satisfying. That wasn't satisfying at all, but anyway, let's continue. So just a black box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is, I guess, the other way around. There's a tool. For whatever reason, I need it. What could it be? I don't know. I don't even remember what they were going to send my way, so this is going to be a surprise for me too. Why would I need this tiny screwdriver? Okay, that looks nice and big. Looks like something I'm going to have a lot of fun with. Oh, look, they got an app. So this is interactive and I can connect it to my phone. That's awesome. This one's named Victor. Okay, yeah, I remembered you, Victor. Yeah, like manual. Okay, yeah, it has an app. It's connected via Bluetooth. Here's how you use it. How you clean it and stuff. Awesome. Things no one reads, but I do. Remote control. Charging cable. And the actual toy. Guys, this is heavy. This feels really premium. And you know I love to go heavy on my toys, so I rate them a lot. I need good quality toys. Let's see what it does. Okay, it's got battery, so I just turned it on. Off it goes. And let's see what it does. So this has a ring for your cock and your balls. And the plug. Okay, I gotta turn the remote on. Okay, that's pulsating and fingering. Interesting. That's going to feel either weird or pretty awesome, but I'll tell you later. This is just the unboxing. It has different speeds. Gosh, that's gotta feel great actually. And it is strong. Look, it's moving my hand. That's strong. Okay, I'm going to like that. Okay, that's... It has different speeds, different patterns. Gosh, that's gonna be so good. And that's it. No, it's not it. How do I turn this off? Like, stop moving. Okay, it stopped. Has a lot of patterns. And this is the vibrations. That's strong. Okay, that didn't stop moving. Like, can you please stop moving? There we go. It stopped. Awesome. It vibrates really, really strongly. Like, that's really strong. That's going to be so good. It's going to be such a short video when I try it. Because that's gonna make me come so fast. Gosh, that's great. And you know I love vibrators. They're my favorite toy ever. Good old pulses. I love those. Different length pulses, awesome. Waves, I don't like them too much. I prefer those pulses. But if you're into waves, it's really strong as well. Stronger pulses, awesome. And faster. So many different patterns. But yeah, that's it. They're repeating. And off it is. Awesome, Victor. Let's see what else is in here. Victor is promising, but I'll let you guys know later. I never know what is the screwdriver for. Oh, it's for the remote to change the batteries. Like, it has this tiny screw in here. Let's open another one. I have something in front of my eyes that is distracting me. Yeah, you may have seen it somewhere in my videos. This wasn't satisfying either. Why? This is my first ever like professional unboxing stuff, like with 2 cameras, and don't judge me. No judging, please. Okay, goes like this. Chan, chan, chan. This one is Pedal Wish 3. It also works with the app. Are all of their toys interactive? That's pretty good. This one's very similar to the other one, but I remember this one doesn't have that fingering motion, but it's an impulsing toy. I don't know how to say that in English. Sorry, English is not my first language, but you're going to see that in a moment. So yeah, you can connect to the app. I'm going to connect them to the app in a minute to try it. So yeah, again, charging cable. Why can't they have the same charger? Companies, please have a standard charger for all your toys. It's a pain in the ass to have so many cables laying around. Okay, this one doesn't have the screwdriver stop, but I guess you open this with a coin because it has that shape, and we use it in photography. Why not use it in toys as well? It's on. Let's see if you can control it without the controller. Yeah, you can, and look, yeah, it moves. Without trying them, I think I'm going to like this one more because I kind of prefer this motion to the other one, but I gotta try them first to know for sure. But I know I'm going to use them both like on a regular basis and maybe even going to places because I like that kind of stuff. like going for dinner, to the movies or something like that, and giving my boy control to them. That would be awesome. Okay, now let's see with the controller. Let's turn this on. There it goes. So this is the up and down motion. So we got different speeds, 3 speeds, and the rest is patterns, like we all know. This one's interesting, like a variable speed. Many different patterns as well, like the other one. And they are repeating themselves now. You keep it pressed, it stops. Way easier than the other one. I don't know, I tried it with the other one and it only worked like the 3rd try. Guess it was my fault. Yeah. And this one's for vibrations. Okay, definitely not dull, but the other one was way stronger, like way stronger. This one's more silent though. You got the pulses, the waves. It's going to feel amazing as well, but I was shocked with the strength of the vibrations of the other one. This one is like pretty average. Not dull at all. I'm sure it's going to feel great as well, but the other one was way stronger. Okay, so I downloaded the app, just opened it. Greetings, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I gotta go in. I gotta log in. Okay, got it. I'm in. No, I don't want notifications. I'm mail. My username. And my age. I'm from 1997. I'm a 90s bitch. It's okay, I need to add my toy right away. Make sure that your toy is powered on. Making sure my toy is powered on. Okay, it's powered on now. Okay, got it. Got it. While using the app, allow Bluetooth. Oh, instantly, pedal wish. Let's turn the other one on too. Let's add them both. And there they go, both of them. Let's add them. Okay, okay, got it. Let's add the other one. Now they are both connected to the app. That was really easy to do. Connected to Victor, okay. So you got recommended patterns. Okay, this is awesome because it's not the like default patterns. You got some waves and pulses and stuff, but you also have like these recommended programs. I want to know what it is. Huh. This is great. This is awesome. And they got a bunch of them. Look at that. It's never ending. And it has like how many likes they got, so you can like see which ones are the most liked by other people and use them. That's awesome. And I wonder if you can use both at the same time. Let's just pause this, because here's it asks me to switch toys. So I guess you cannot use them both at the same time. No, you gotta use one at a time, okay? That's still great app, though. I would like to be able to use multiple toys at the time. So you can go to videos, play box, and you have different like options here. You got ASMR, music rhythm, Joyhub. Let's see Joyhub. So okay, it's moving to the way I shake my phone. If I stop shaking, it stops. It eventually stops moving. That was fun. And you got different toys, even memory, different games, even a memory game there. Okay. And also you can set it to work with the ambient noise, like using your phone's microphone. That's also fun. You got community here, and you can add friends and stuff. And I think these are groups you can go to, like actual communities of people that use the same Joyhub toys. Here you got your chats and your profile. Awesome. That was great. So I told you there were 2 boxes that were mailed to me. We already opened one with 2 toys, and here's another one with another 2 toys. So let's take a look. It also had this letter, this thank you letter from Joyhub. Oh, it has my username on it. I hadn't noticed it. Says, thank you, welcome to Joyhub. This one says, dear cute Latin boy 97, welcome to the Joyhub creator community. We're thrilled to have you with us. At Joyhub, we're on a mission to build a joyful, inclusive, and sex-positive space through innovative technology and authentic storytelling. As a global platform committed to technology for all, joy for everyone, awesome. We're proud to partner with creators who share our values of expression, empowerment, and equality. Yeah, that's true. Here's what you're part of. A fast-growing platform with 1 million plus users and counting, doubling in size year over year. A vibrant ecosystem featuring 100 plus global brand collaborators offering immersive and creative opportunities. Over 500,000 monthly visits with strong engagement and a community that loves to share, support, and explore. As a Joyhub creator, you'll get exclusive access to brand campaigns, product collaborations, co-creation events, and creative spotlights, all designed to help you grow, connect, and earn. Awesome. Thank you for your creativity, passion, and voice. We're excited to create more joy together. Enjoy your gift. You've earned it. That's so good. That's awesome. Hi, cute Latin boy 87. Just wanted to say a big thank you for being part of this project. We put this box together with care, and we are so excited to see what you create with it. Let us know if you ever need anything. We're always here. With love, the Joyhub team. Thank you. That was great. Great unboxing experience. Like, it's personalized. That was awesome. Let's open. Let's start this apart. Okay, this is like pretty similar to the last one, to Petal Wish. What's the name of it? This one is Petal Wish 2. Okay, so they sent me the Petal Wish. It was... Which one was it? Oh, they sent me the 2 and the 3, okay. Awesome. So this is the 2. I'm not going to connect this one to the app because we already saw that. Okay, in terms of vibration, it's like pretty similar. I would say the same from the previous one. Like it vibrates pretty good, but not as strong as Victor. And here you have the impulsor. Also, this one is like not as big as the Petal Wish 3. So it's going to be interesting to try them both and find out which one I like better. Let's open this one. I think this one's finally for my cock. My ass already got too many gifts. Okay, this one was satisfying. First one, I'm getting better at this. Let's see, how are you supposed to open this one? It says, Ainseo, 1 sensation, 1 explore, 1 release. Hopefully more than 1. This one's called Thermas. Effortless, smooth motion, enjoy silky thrust that move naturally with your rhythm, delivering a lifelike experience from start to finish. Whisper quiet power, the advanced brushless motor ensures deep, intense thrust with near silent operation, keeping every moment uninterrupted. We will just judge that. Comforting, lasting heat, okay, awesome. 10 LED heating beats provide even, consistent warmth, enhancing every sensation for a more realistic feel. Awesome. We got charging cable, user manual, and this magnetic ring for whatever reason. Okay, yeah, user manual and stuff. It connects to the app as well. Awesome. Okay. Okay. This is the Thermas. Let's unbox it. Keep liquids out of the toy's interior to prevent short circuits. Okay, so it has something magnetic here too. Like this is a magnetic base. Oh, it's for your phone. So you put this ring on your phone's case and you attach it right here so you can watch your content. So you can watch my videos while using it. Awesome. And okay, now that's weird because why is it there? Like, can you put this here on top of or something? Or why would you put your phone in here to use this as a phone stand? Maybe. Yeah, you can use this as a phone stand. Okay, so yeah, this works as a phone stand, and this is really, really soft silicone. Really soft. It's got something inside. Let me take it out. Yeah, it's really soft. This one's gotta feel amazing. So soft. Let's turn this on. I maybe should have read the manual. So, okay. This video is going to be really short as well. Like, look at that. Though I don't know if my boy is maybe too big for it. Like, mine's pretty wide, but we're going to figure that out in the actual review videos. This is strong. My fiance is right here with his mouth open. He wants to try it right away. This is so damn fast. I mean, look at my hands. I cannot keep them still because this is really powerful and fast. Okay, that's the maximum speed. I think this is going to be my favorite one. But I know someone that will like the faster ones. And I'll try it on him too. Okay, let's activate the heating. Oh, and it turns red when you activate the heating mechanism. Let's see. It's already warming up. And I love that the heating mechanism is inside, so it actually stays warm as you use it. That's awesome. Okay, so with the heating mechanism is either on or off. It doesn't have levels. Something is okay, so you can change the patterns also with the power button. And I wonder, yeah, you can like up the speed and change the patterns. This one's good. I know I'm going to like this one. That's how I like it. This one's also pretty interesting. I can already tell I'm going to like it. And awesome. Let's see if it's already warm. Yeah, it's getting warmer. Anyway, guys, you're going to watch me try it in a next video on a different platform than this, most probably. But from the unboxing, I'm really happy with it. You're going to watch my reviews later. Thank you so much for watching, and we're going to meet again pretty soon, but maybe not on this platform. If you want to watch like my full deep reviews. See you. Go to my socials to know where to watch those reviews if you don't know yet. And anyway, have a great one. I'll see you again later. Thanks.